Having a look now at how to create a graph using Google Sheets. So at the moment what I've got here is a set of data relating to the oscillation of a pendulum. So we've got length here and the time for each period here. So I'm going to type in here now period squared, and I'm just going to put raised to the power of 2, and I'll put in the units. And I'll put in here a formula for squaring the values here which are in the B column. So I'll put in equals B2 raised to the power of 2. Press enter, and then latch hold of the square here that's on the bottom and fill down, and that will give me the values there. Doing this doesn't necessarily guarantee that you've got 2 decimal places there, but if there's a number of decimal places that you want, you can adjust it using these 2 points up here. So the next step is to create the graph. So in order to do that, we want to select this column and this column here, which is not right beside it. So I'm going to hold down the control key and now click in here and drag down. And don't drag down the corner there. So I've got those 2 columns selected. Then I go up here to insert and go down here to chart, otherwise known as a graph. Click that. So there's our graph. Now we've got the labels here and we've got a title up here, and if I scroll down here I can see that we've got another title down here. I might just make this a little bit smaller. And what I want to do is to put in a trend line, or a line of best fit as we normally call it in Australia. So to do that I go over here to customize, click customize, go down here to series and click period, and further down here, if I scroll down here, I can click here trend line. So I click that and that puts in the trend line. Now the other thing I want to put in here is the equation of that straight line, so I can get the gradient. So in order to do that, so what I'm going to do is go to here, scroll down, and there where it comes to label, I'll click here and it gives me the option here, use equation. So I'm going to click the equation there, and at this stage here we've got y is equal to mx plus c, the equation on the chart, and this number here of course is the gradient, and that one is often quite useful for us. So this is how we do it in Google Sheets.